Hello guys, welcome to a quick BTC update video. Today I'm talking a little bit about Bitcoin and the current price action, and of course talk a little bit about the trades I talked about yesterday, take a few trade recaps of a few of the trades shared in my group. On the range, we are still below the range value high, and we haven't hit the range point control or range highs, anything, so it's not anything to say. Still trading in the range and not expecting anything major before tomorrow. On the lower time frame chart, pretty much just been chopping around session VWAP the whole day. So again, not much to say. And I think the best idea is to wait for tomorrow on any major trades. So I'm going to share more trading zones tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. And also going to share a higher time frame spot update and so on. Now I'm going to share a few of the trades shared in the group this week. The first one is the previous week equilibrium idea. I'm going to share that right now. The first and foremost thing I saw was that we had this impulsive leg up, telling me that, okay, for sure I'm going to be careful, but I'm still going to watch for trade. And already here, we can see the momentum starting to fade. And here we confirm a bearish divergence with the price still going up all around, but the momentum is going lower. That tells me, okay, if range, I'm going to look for a fake out and then short. We got the fake out here. The little bit funny thing was that we got a retest, but still it couldn't make any major new highs. Pretty much just a SFP of the zone. And the target was pretty much based on risk reward. I took out the risk a little bit on the way down, but here I saw this pretty impulsive leg down. I just, we closed fully in the group and realized the profits, and it went extremely good. The stop loss was just based a little bit above the point of interest. This was a second trade shared. I didn't take this, but this was loss. But I'm still going to take it and share what my idea was. This was pretty much a confluence zone at the current day, but the problem of the idea, in my opinion, was that we got these relative equal highs. All these. And that just means people short here, stop loss above, 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 and that just creates more liquidity above the zone. And usually that becomes a magnet for the price, and sooner or later we're going to see a squeeze above the zone, and that's exactly what happened. So I told everybody in the group to just be careful, and it's not a blind idea, not a limit idea anymore, but it's still, of course, something to watch. But the stop loss didn't hold. That's just the way it is. But if the stop loss was a little bit bigger, could have given some move, but then again, the risk reward would have been worse, and I couldn't potentially have closed the trade just based on the stop loss being too big. Anyways, over to next. Idea was good, but the context was a problem. That happens to the best of us. And this was the latest trade shared yesterday. It was pretty much a single print idea. Single print hit here, a session VWAP confluence. Pretty much a fantastic trade. I'm extremely proud of that trade. Quick and nice scalp. Pretty much we form a local range with momentum extremely being down and looking to get better with money flow. Also we see a trap range, and we see this fake out below the range, stop loss hunt with a big volume spike. I love to see. And this with the momentum signals telling that a recoil is very likely. That was pretty much the main trades. 3 share in the group, 2 win, 1 loss of the ideas. The rest of the ideas didn't get hit. Yes, so I actually got 4 trades and 3 got hit. So that's pretty nice. I'm of course going to look for more trades next week in the group, so if you're interested in joining a group, just check the link in the description and get back to you all during the weekend. If you need places to trade, I have major links in the description. And tomorrow I'm going to make a video on context in form of these week levels, daily levels, month level and so on, what the best levels are and what levels to be careful of. Other than that, I just want to wish you a fantastic Sunday tomorrow. See you in the video. Bye. Bye.